Hello children. The continuation of exercise 6.2 of the chapter 6 angles.
Fifth one question. Draw any 6 angles using scale and measure them using protractor. So scale na use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಫಿಗರ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. So this is the figure. Using the scale we have to draw one figure here. So now for this figure we have to measure the angle. So using this protractor. So already you know how to measure an angle. So we should coincide the protractor and the arm of the angle. So the now we have to measure now. So 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is not 80 degree. So it is a 78 degree. So after 70 there is a 8 lines. For that 8 line the QP rays coincide. So now the ray is coincide with the 78 degree. So this is 78 degree. So this is which type of angles children? So this is an acute angle. Acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. Let me measure the second angle. So that is between two rays is AB ray, one is, and the second ray is BC ray. So we have to measure the angle. So now the angle is 140. The ray AP ray is between the 140 degree to 150 degree. So 144. So the angle is 144 degree. So now this is which type of angle children? So 144. It is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So the angle is obtuse angle. The third one figure is this, that is MNO angle. So the two sides are M and NO. So now we have to measure. So 10 degree, 20, 30, 35. So the angle is 35 degree angle. This also an acute angle. Fourth one angle is this one, and we have to measure. So here also we have to keep the protractor properly. Here the center point of the protractor must be on the vertex, and the baseline of the protractor must be coincide with the base ray. So now we have to measure. So 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The line is exactly coincide with the 60 degree. So the angle is 60 degree. So this also belongs to a acute angle. The next one figure we are going to measure. So that is AOB. The two sides is AO and OB. So protractor. The center of the protractor must be coincide with the point O. And the base of the protractor is coincide with the OB ray. So now we have to measure 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After 100, 101, 102 degree. So this is 102 degree. So 102 degree is belongs to which angle, children? So it is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So the angle is obtuse angle. The next figure. So this one. So already we learn about a straight angle. So this is a straight line. It must be a straight angle. So it is a straight angle. That means 180 degree. The sixth question, write the measure of the angle between the two hands of the following clocks and name them. So they only given the different clocks. So in these clocks, which angles are found, we have to write here. So for this, first one, A. So we have to measure using the protractor. It is carefully, children. So this is exactly 90 degree. So the angle is, so for the A clock there is a exactly 90 degree. So the angle is right angle. The second one clock we have to measure now. So now it's very difficult, children. Measure carefully. So the line is here. Clock of the hand. So that is a 30 degree. So second one 30 degree. So which type of angle is this? So 30 degree means an acute angle. The third one, okay, so this is the line, another line, this is the base line. So this is exactly in the line 150. Okay, so 150, the angle is 150 degree. The C clock shows 150 degrees. So 150 degree belongs to a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. And the figure D clock shows how many? Okay, now the line is, so between the 100 and 110, so the line is 105. So the angle is 105 degree. So 105 degree also, it is one of the obtuse angle. 105, it is also obtuse angle. The next, the figure E, okay. Okay, now the second line, so is exactly coincide with the number 130. So the angle is 130 degree. The angle is 130 degree. The figure E clock also an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle.
The seventh one question, choose the right answer from the following. First question A, example for obtuse angle. Here the given 4 option, we have to choose correct answer, we have to choose. So in this, the question is example for obtuse angle. So obtuse angle ke example yavdu? The given options, one 90 degree, second one option 53 degree, and third one option 178 degree, and the fourth one 180 degree. So see the first option, it's a 90 degree. So 90 degree means it's a right angle. So second option is 53 degree. So 53 is an acute angle, and 178 degree. So it is a obtuse angle example. And the fourth one is 180 degree. 180 degree is exact straight angle. So 178 degree is the right answer, because obtuse angle means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So the number 178 degree is between 90 degree and 180 degree. So the answer is 178 degree is the example of obtuse angle. Okay, children. The second one, B. In the given figure, the number of right angles, acute angles and obtuse angles are. So here they given the figure. For this figure, we have to do first take the acute angle, right angles and obtuse angles first. Okay, children. So in this, totally how many right angles are there? So in the middle of the circle, it is a square. So in this square, the right angles are 4. Okay, children. And the acute angles, how many acute angles are here? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 acute angles are there. And the next obtuse angles. Where is obtuse angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 obtuse angles are there. So totally right angles 4, acute angles 15 and obtuse angles are 10. So here the option is first one 15, 4, 10. So it is not a correct answer. So second option 4, 15, 10. So acute angles 15, right angles 4 and obtuse angle 10. So the answer is option 2. Eighth one question. Classify the measures of angles given below. 16 degree, 180 degree, 88 degree, 179 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 100 degree, 35 degree, 142 degree. So they given some degrees here. So what we have to do in these degrees, which are the acute angle, which are the right angle, which are the obtuse angle, and which are the straight angles, we have to classify now. So in these, so acute angle is 16 degree, 88 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree is belongs to acute angle. And right angle, so right angle is nothing but only one, that is 90 degree exactly. And the next obtuse angle, what is obtuse angle, children? Once again you recall, so it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So in between the degrees or belongs to obtuse angle. So 179 degree, 100 degree and 142 degrees belongs to obtuse angle. And straight angle. Straight angle means exactly 180 degrees. So 180 degrees belongs to straight angle.
So ninth one question. Estimate the measure of the following angles, verify by measuring them. Name the type of angles. So here they given the angles and estimated measure, actual measure, type of angle. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of estimate? So estimate ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ angles we have to measure in textbook only, so I will take the textbook. So you also using protractor you have to measure in the textbook figure and write them in the notes. Is it clear, children? So ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, so in the first figure, that is the estimated measure 110 degree. So protractor ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇನಿದೆ 110 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ 120. So here actual measurement is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees belongs to an obtuse angle. Okay. And the second one figure, estimated measure. So ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ okay, are there like is actual measurement also a 90 degree. So 90 degrees belongs to a right angle. So on the figure 3, so we can measure actually it is ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. It is exactly 50 degree. It is exactly a 50 degree. So 50 degree is an acute angle. The next one, so in this we can see this is a look like a L shape, so it is a estimated weight I think 90 degree, and we are going to actual measurement. We are taking the actual measurement is 90, after 90 that is 95 degree. So actual measurement is 95 degree. So it is a obtuse angle. So actual agi navadu 90 degree, that is a right angle, but we are going to the actual measurement, that is 95 degree. So that is a obtuse angle. 10th question, measure the angles in the figures given below. Find the sum of the angles. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫಿಗರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ನ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಎ 2 angle. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ 1. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ and kept properly. Okay children, the angle is the first angle is exactly 55. Angle 1 is a 55 degree and angle 2 okay. Now the angle is exactly, the line is exactly in the 125. So the second one angle is 125 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2, they given angle 1, how much the angle 1 is 55 degree and how much the angle 2 is 125 degree. So totally how much? So 55 degree plus 125 degree, that is 180 degree. Look children here. So idralli second ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೇನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ we can see a straight line. So this belongs to a straight angle. What does mean by straight angle? Straight angle is an angle which exactly 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಮರೆತ್ರೆ ದಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಲೋ, ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ angle. This is a triangle shape. So here also we have to measure the 3 angles here, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Let us see the angle first. Okay, the first angle is exactly the line. This one is at a 70 degree. The angle 1 is a 70 degree and the angle 2 is in 60 degree. The third one is exactly at third one angle is exactly at 50 degree. So now we have to add the angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So how much the angle 1 is 70 degree and the angle 2 is 60 degree and the angle 3 is 50 degree. So now we are going to the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. We have to add it. So now also that is 180 degree. So in this we conclude that all the angles in triangle we are going to add, we get 180 degree. So ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಾವು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear, children?
Thank you, children. Have a good day.